Yeah, that's bad.
I mean, look at this.
That's what she said.
How bad is this? So these are the studs that I'm gonna change. Look at how bad these things are. Look at that.
Yeah, that's bad.
I mean, look at this.
That's what she said.
How bad is this? It's like a deeper groove. And this one too. And this one too.
That's called danger.
And this one too. So this is why I'm changing everything. And they're gonna take out the caliper. It's supposed to be like this bolt and that bolt right there. That one and this one right here. So I'm gonna use this puppy to replace those puppies. And to change, we're going to use the ABN kit. If you need it, it's going to be in the description. So give me a blast.
Oh my goodness, it's seeds. Do you see it? Seeds. You ever heard that song they made about me? About my name?
No.
A near, far, where?
That's it. Go get some freaking food to take off the road or just take it off. Sometimes it seized, so I have to hit it with a hammer.
Sometimes it's no.
But this one, for some reason, is not seized. So we're going to spray this on with PB Blaster, let it soak, bang this out, and then get a new one.
I am Iron Man.
All of them, as you can see, they are in terrible shape. Now the fronts are way easier than the back because you have the drum brakes, so you have to be careful not to hit the springs or mess up the system. When the front, you don't have that. We're gonna put this through it again, like so, like that. And then we're gonna put this on top. I'm gonna put a bolt and then tighten the bolt, and that's it. But before I do that, I'm gonna clean up the hub with some brake fluid and scratch a little bit, clean it up, and then I'm gonna install it again. And of course, be clean and get yourself like one of these buckets. It's like $3. So, if you want to change the studs, this is how you do it. I highly recommend, if you need to change the stud, to use an adapter like this, so you can do it professionally, you know what I mean? And then you just reverse everything. You put the caliper back on with the 2 bolts, torque it down, and there you go. Put the wheel back on, and on your merry way you'll be.